You don't have to go all the way to Mimin to enjoy this culinary delight. Welcome to Sate Apaleh Geurugok, Banda, Aceh.
This time, Sate Apaleh Geurugok is here in Banda, Aceh City. Where is the location? It's located in Batoh, Lumbata Subdistrict, precisely in the Batoh Bus Terminal area. What about the operating hours? Don't worry, the Banda Aceh branch of Sate Apaleh Geurugok is open 24 hours to fill visitors' stomachs.
For the meat, Sate Apaleh Geurugok Banda Aceh branch is also provide fresh meat every single day through slaughtering process carried directly by Apaleh Geurugok, and it doesn't contain water. For those of you guys who still confused what you want to dive to eat, so here there are 3 menus starting from meat only and also meat mixed with fat and intestine and tripe. Also we got the soup, you can see the meat also in the soup, and peanut sauce, and last but not least, rice. Thank you, Kak. For 10 skewers, it's priced only 40,000 rupiah, and also you can be eaten however much you want, and later it will be calculated per skewer, so don't worry.
And the important thing is, Sate Apaleh Geurugok can also be bought via delivery. Where do you want to eat? Do you want outdoor or indoor?
Sate Apaleh Geurugok is ready to eat in Banda Aceh. What are you waiting for? Try it right now.